Today we're going to be doing the third set of notes, and we're going to be talking about solving logarithmic equations. So we did problems to this effect in the last chapter, but in the last chapter we were able to get the same base on both sides. You're going to notice here I have a base of 15 and a base of 37, and I can never make one be the other. So instead we introduce logs. Right now I'm in exponential form, and I want to convert this to log form. So to do that, we write log. My base will be 15 of 37, and it's equal to x. So by doing this one move, I have now converted this equation to logarithmic form. And again, your calculators are base 10. I don't recommend you using your cell phone. You should use Desmos. And when you type this in the calculator, we have to do change of base. So I will type this as log 37 divided by log 15. And when you do that, you're going to get x equals 1.33. So definitely go to Desmos and try typing it. Make sure you get 1.33. For letter B, we're going to begin by dividing both sides by 7. So now I have 10 to the x equals 9 over 7. I'm going to leave it as a fraction because that decimal is irrational. If it's a rational decimal, like terminating, you could definitely write it as a decimal. I'm just going to choose to leave it as a fraction. So now to convert this to log form, I have log base 10 of 9 divided by 7, and it's equal to x. Now calculators are base 10, so your phone calculator, every other calculator is programmed to be base 10, so I really don't even have to write the base 10. So you're going to just type log 9 divided by 7. And when you do that, you get x equals 0.11. For letter C, again, my base has to be by itself, so right now I have 6 and a 4. The 6 is a base because that's the one that is attached to an exponent, which means the 4 needs to move to the other side. So we're going to begin by subtracting 4 to both sides. So I have 6 to the x plus 2 equals 72. Now we convert it into log form, so it'll be log base 6 of 72 equals x plus 2. The left-hand side, again, the way you have to type this in the calculator will be log 72 divided by log 6. When you do that, you will get 2.39. But this time, x is still not by itself. It's x equal to x plus 2, so I have to subtract 2 to both sides. When I do that, I will get x equals 0.39. Letter D would be an example of the most challenging one you could potentially see, but again, I hope you don't feel like this section is that challenging. So we're going to start by subtracting 5 to both sides. I'll have negative 3 times 17 raised to the 3 minus 10x equals negative 84. In your next step, we're going to divide both sides by negative 3 to get my base by itself. So I have 17 raised to the 3 minus 10x equals 28. And now we convert to log form. So it'll be log base 17 of 28 equals 3 minus 10x. Left-hand side, the way you would type this in the calculator, is log 28 divided by log 17. When you do that, you will get the decimal 1.18, but I still have to solve for x. So my next step will be to subtract 3 to both sides, which will give me negative 1.82. And then we divide both sides by negative 10. Your final answer for x for this problem will be 0.18. So the last thing that you might want to just jot at the very top of your paper, and I probably should have started with this, but oops, you have log base a of b. Again, the way you want to type it in the calculator is log b divided by log a. So that's how you type in calculator.